G'day, this is Jason here from Hour Forex. Today is December the 7th, 2011, and I first want to say that I don't know if a lot of you people have noticed or not, but the market is moving very, very slow. It's it's grinding up and down in small little 2 to 4 pip ranges. It's just ridiculously slow because nobody's trading it. All the big guys, they're not trading this. They're on vacation or doing whatever. They won't be back until January. But for the sake of teaching what I have to teach here, um, I'll keep doing these till December the 16th. So anyway, let's take a look at the setups today. Here is the first hour to start, which is 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, it opened up here. It rallied up, pierced through 34.50, came back down, turned red. So if you would have sold it and got out on the close, you only would have made 7 pips or 6 pips after the spread. Okay? So you would have sold it there, and there's basically 7 pips. Our target was 15 pips, but it did not go there. Okay? Then the next trade that opened up was this here. It basically opened up, came down, almost hit R1, which is good enough, came back up, turned blue, and hit the target. Okay? So there was another. That was like a 13 pip win. See how small these trades are? It's just, usually between R1 and R2, it's like, 40 pips or 50 pips. And because the day's ranges from before are so small, we only got like 20 pips between R1 and R2. Okay? So anyway, our targets are going to be small because the ranges are small. Watch this candle throughout this video. You'll see what it's doing. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down within 2 to 4 pips. It's been doing it all day. It's been driving me crazy. I've been trying to trade this thing, and this stupid thing won't move. I myself, I think I'm just going to stop trading until next year. But I'll keep showing these setups to you because we have some diehards here. They just got to trade once they get into this. And, believe it or not, there's a lot of traders who get so involved in this, and they turn something, a strategy, into a gambling card game. Okay? And if you get hooked on these charts and trading, it can become the same as gambling, okay? And I'm not fooling you. It really can. And if you start gambling, you're more than likely you're going to lose. Like 99.9% of all gamblers who walk into any casino or play any game, they lose. The house wins, okay? So anyway, another thing I want to say before we get into the next setup is that, there was a few people who emailed me and said, Jason, thank you so much, for telling me or reminding me to go and watch the videos again. Okay? I cover everything thoroughly in the videos. There's been so many questions I've got from so many people, from so many emails, that the answer is in the videos if you're just to take the time to watch them. And if you really want to master the 1 Hour Forex method, then you need to watch the videos over and over and over again. It's not going to kill you to do this, but of course we have those people out there who think they can buy something. I don't know. I think they think they can read one paragraph or watch a 2-minute video and that's it. They're going to be a pro. And they're going to be making pips like they're falling out of the sky. But that's not true. You gotta invest time. I've been staring at these charts since 2001, and there's still things I learn by staring at them. And if you want to master trading, you have to do the same. And you can use other tools, okay, to help your trading. You know, like, here, I could show you something from yesterday. I'll show you quickly here what it did yesterday. Okay? Okay. Let's get rid of this line here. Let's draw Fibonacci on here. Look at this. Right from this high. Oh, it's yellow. Why is it yellow? Damn. Let me change that color to black. Oh, here we go. Let's put it in black. There we go. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You take it from the high of yesterday to the exact low, okay, which is right there, okay? Look what it did yesterday. It came down after it broke that trend line. It came down. It made the low. It did a reversal, came up, and hit what? The 61.8. One of the most powerful Fibonacci levels ever. The two most powerful Fibonacci levels are the 38.2 and the 61.8, for those of you who don't know. I know there's a lot of you who do, but there's some who don't. But look how it came off there and came down. Anyway, just wanted to show you that quickly. So what I'm trying to tell you is there is lots of tools that you can use with this. If you want to put moving averages on there, you can. You know, you can put whatever you want on the chart to help you to trade profitably. For those of you who want to trade with the trend, okay, there was a reversal trade here and here. You didn't have to take it, okay? You could have just did the reversal. I mean, the opposite of the reversal and just traded with the trend. Like, you know, there's some of you who keep asking me, well, can we trade at other times? Sure you can. It's all up to you. But I'm just trying to pinpoint the 3 best hours in the UK and the 3 best hours in the US to look for trades. But can you trade in between there, like right here? Look at this beautiful trade right here. Opened up, came up, almost hit R1, bounced off this resistance right here, okay, which was support, okay, up here, but turned into resistance once we broke through it. Look at this trade, okay? You would have got short right there. Look at that. There's 24 pips. If you would have held it down to the bottom, there's 60 pips, you know? But it would have took 4 hours to get there because the market's moving so slow. So yes, you can trade at different times. Yes, you can use other tools. You know, that's entirely up to you. You're a human being. You're free to do what you want when you want. But I just want to say all these things to you people because you've got to take the time to learn this. Please go watch the videos again, okay? I'm telling you, watch them. You need to, let me tell you this. What you really need to do is you need to watch them 3 separate times, okay? You watch it when you first get it, then you watch it again maybe a week later, and then maybe a week after that, watch them again. And I guarantee you, you will pick up things that you didn't hear in the first time you heard it. You'll pick it up in the second time, and then in the third time, you'll pick up things that you didn't hear the second time you watched it. I guarantee you, this is what's going to happen. So I'm just telling you this to help you master this system. And it's a really good system, and it comes, you know, from years of experience of looking at the charts, and people, you know, they're getting refunds. They want their $77. You know, maybe they lost money in the market. They're trying to get their money back somehow, some way. So they get a refund. You know, and in a way, I can't blame those people. But in all honesty, this is not a scam, okay? Like, there's a lot of scams out there, ladies and gentlemen, and I know you've all come across them, okay, where it's just useless junk. This is not useless junk, okay? There's like 4 traders that are well known in the Forex, I guess you could say, community that you can trust, okay? One of them is me, Jason Sweezy. The second one is Russ Horn. The third one is Dean Saunders, okay? And the fourth one is Vladimir Robokov. So I just want to tell you that to you people today in this video. You know, if you buy stuff or subscribe to stuff within those 4 traders, I'm telling you, you're not going to get ripped off. You're talking with good quality traders here that are real traders, okay? But if you go and buy some other stuff from wherever, well, don't come crying to me. You can go get a refund. Okay, so anyway, let's get back with the trades here. I'm sorry to ramble on, but I just want to help you guys succeed here. Anyway, I also just want to say, you know, one of the best traders out there is Russ Horn. And yes, I told you guys about the Forex Master Method the other day because it's an amazing system. I have people emailing me saying, oh, what's this? Blah, blah, blah. This is no good. Da, da, da. How do you know if it's no good if you didn't try it? Believe me, it's good. But anyway, so let's get back to the trades here. So we had a 6-7 pip winner here if you obeyed my rule and you got out on the close. Okay? You would have put your stop right above here. Okay? You did another trade that almost came down to R1. You bought it, went to the target. There's a 13 pip winner. Then the next candle that opened up, okay? There was no trade there. If it would have went up and kissed R2 again and came back and turned red, yes, it would have been a winner right down to the target. But that didn't happen. Okay? That was the end of those 3 trades in the UK. Then we came to this one, okay? And I was watching it very closely. Yes, it opened up, okay? It came down. Let me put a line on here. Okay. Let me show you where it went to. Right there. Okay, so it opened up here. It came down to a T and bounced off 33.61. Came back up and turned blue. Okay? But before it went up to here, it came back down. And if you would have had your stop 1 pip or so below 33.61, it would have stopped you out. Okay? So that was it for that trade. Okay? Then I believe it came down to here and then shot up and turned blue and really quickly shot up to almost to 34 again and came right back down again. Okay, there was a big quick 40 pip jump in about 2 minutes. I'm sure you couldn't have got in that trade because it just happened so fast. So yes, there was a loser on the 8 o'clock bar today. It was only like 5, 7, 10 pips at the most. Okay, then we got this trade here, okay, which was a winner. Okay, so it opened up, it came down, it grinded around here forever, okay, came back up, turned blue. So you would have got long right there. Your stop would have been a couple pips below 33.50, okay, so you got long right there. And if you would have got out in the close, there was 20 pips to be made. Okay? So you had a 10 pip loser and a 20 pip winner. And then this trade right here on the 10 o'clock bar, there was no trade. Because it would have needed to come back down to here, which it didn't. Okay? So there was just no trade. And even if there was something that had bounced off of here, okay, from your entry to the pivot, it was only 7 pips or so. Yeah, 8 pips. Okay, so there was no trade. Why? Because you need 10 pips from your entry point to your target point minimum. You'd really want is 15 or 20, but minimum 10. So if there's only 4 pips or 5 or 7 pips, there's no trade. Okay? Okay, so I'm running out of words to say here. That was it for the setups today. I hope some of you will take my advice and, you know, and study the videos, okay? And like I told you, those 4 traders, they're well respected. They're not scam artists. If you ever come across something from them, you know, if you want to try it, it's well worth trying because they are top-notch traders in the market that aren't out to scam you. Okay, so have a nice day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow on the 8th of December.